over after the show and put £20 in my hat. But I know that dream will never come true. Not even on the day before my birthday. I just thought I'd mention that. Guys, if you can afford it, come and support it, guys. If you can afford it, take your money will be lovely if you can afford it. If you have no money, come and say thank you, because that does mean something too. Watch this, folks. I'm going to finish the chainsaw behind the back. Everybody, please get ready to clap.
And then if he does that, no, yes.
Hello, sir. This guy's
take a picture of your ass video.
Everybody, please get ready to clap, guys. Balcony, everybody get ready. You won't see this anywhere else ever in the world. Oh, come on! My back! Oh! I'm scared! I'm scared I heard somebody over there. This time, guys, second attempt. Go crazy if I get it. This time, folks. Oh! Okay, guys, third time lucky. Everybody, please give me a slow hand clap for encouragement. Come on, guys. Louder. Faster. Come on, guys. Keep it, guys. Come on, guys. Keep it going. This time. Go crazy. If I get it. Woo!
People, what am I talking about?
Oh my God, I don't believe it. Somebody over there is walking away with that. He was coming over to say thank you. The guy in the blue t-shirt. Everybody boo that man. Everybody kiss that man over there. Everybody watch this. I'm going to get the guy with a chainsaw. Going to say one last thing, folks. Going to say thank you for watching. Thanks to my volunteers for helping. And please, guys, before you go, don't forget I pour my heart and soul to every show. Come and pour something into my hat, and I'll thank you personally. If you really have no money, come and say thank you, because that does mean something too.